students, welcome to English class. Students, let us learn the poem No Men Are Foreign, written by the poet James Kirkup. Let us know about the poet James Kirkup. He was born on 23rd April 1918 and passed away on 10th May 2009. He was a prolific English poet, a translator, and a travel writer too. A travel writer is one who writes while traveling. He wrote about 30 books, including autobiographies, novels, and plays. So he started writing simple verses and rhymes at a very early age of 6 years. Marsden Boy, a poem written by him, and a play, Strindberg, are his contributions towards English literature, and he was honored by many countries. Before we read the poem, let us go through these words and know their meanings which you will come across in the poem. Dispossess is to disown. Betray is to be disloyal, unfaithful. Condemn, to express a strong disapproval of some work which you don't like, you need to condemn it. Defile is make something impure. Outrage is a very wrong or cruel act. You need to refer to page number 57 and 58 in your textbook for the poem reading. Let's begin with stanza 1. Poet says, remember, no men are strange, no countries foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon is earth like this in which we all shall lie. Here the poet says, no men are strange and no countries are foreign. Nobody is a stranger here, and countries are foreign. Foreign means other countries other than our land. So no countries are foreign to us. Though we all look different, we have the same body. Each one has a different appearance, but our body is the same, with same hands, legs, eyes, ears. So similarly, the earth where we live and die is the same for all, says the poet. In the second stanza, poet gives a message that all are the same. They too, aware of sun and air and water, are fed by peaceful harvests, by wars, long winters starved. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. Here, the poet says the sun, the air, and the water we all use are all the same for everybody. We should live with peace because it brings prosperity. We shouldn't fight with each other. And in case we fight, war brings adversity or the suffering for a long time. And all hands are the same and all labor is also the same. Means everybody does each similar kind of work. It's not the work is different in different countries. If the doctors treat patients, it's the same people treating patients in all the countries. So he says that all are the same. In the third stanza, poet says, all have the common life. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strength that can be won by love. In every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. So poet says here, remember that all have the same eyes to sleep and to wake up. We sleep with the same eyes. Everybody has the same eyes to sleep and wake up. And all have the strength that can be won by love. It's not with fights or anything. It is through love we can win each other. And in every way, life is common to all. And that all can recognize and understand. Each and every person should try to understand this and live peacefully. The fourth stanza, poet gives a message of universal brotherhood. Let us remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispossess, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take arms against each other, it is the human earth that we defile. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no country strange. So here, poet says, whenever we hate our brothers, Whenever we hate our neighbors, neighboring countries, it is to hate ourselves, that we shall dispossess. At the same time, we have no right to look down upon anybody or discriminate anybody on any grounds based on their work, caste, creed. We shouldn't discriminate anybody. Then poet says that we who take arms against each other, in case we fight with each other, it is the human earth that we defile. What do we spoil? It's a human earth where we live is spoiled. The hells of fire and the dust outrage the innocents. We not only pollute the atmosphere, but also hatred grows. So everywhere, so wherever we see, men must know to develop a feeling of universal brotherhood. Man must learn that no man is stranger and no country is foreign. So through this poem, poet gives a message of universal brotherhood. All should live together without fighting with each other. So the universal brotherhood message is upheld here.